Are you excited to know the tips for effective business writing? To make your messages stand out from the crowd. Let's begin. Ten tips for effective business writing. Here are a few strategies to make your messages stand out. Know your audience. Knowing your audience can help you decide what information to include, how to deliver that information, and what kinds of supplementary information the reader will need to understand what you are providing. It also affects the document's tone and organization. Know your message. Be clear about your goals before you start typing. Are you merely looking to exchange information? Do you need to clarify a challenging idea? Or do you hope to motivate your audience to take action? What is your most important takeaway? Think like a reporter. When you're deeply invested in a subject, it's easy to overlook the obvious. For instance, it's amazing how many hotel and restaurant websites exclude the address, a crucial piece of information. Banish buzzwords and slangs. Today's corporate writing is stuffed with overused buzzwords and slangs. Expressions that appear out of nowhere and then spread quickly to the point where they are nearly meaningless are known as slang. Junk the jargon. Technical jargon and acronyms are used in every industry. When every reader is conversant with the jargon, they are useful shorthand. Get rid of the inside language if you're writing for readers outside your industry, which will be your clients. Otherwise, you risk confusing them. Keep tight. Short sentences, paragraphs, and documents have a better chance of capturing the attention of readers. This is especially true for emails and other electronic documents because we read slower on screen than we do on paper. To keep your readers, cut the fluff. Make it plain and simple. People frequently skim documents for important information before deciding to read the entire thing. Make it simple for them. Leave the symbols and abbreviations on your phone. Use and etc. For example, and other shorthand when texting your children. If you're writing to impress clients, employees, or investors, however, use full sentences. It simply looks more professional. Get active. Putting sentences in the active voice is an easy way to improve your writing. Active voice sentences are usually shorter and clearer than passive voice sentences, and they inspire more trust in readers. Proofreads. Spell checkers are useful tools, but they are not without flaws. They rarely notify you when you use an actual word in the wrong context. Ask anyone who has ever invited customers to contact the sales manager. Proofread your documents before printing or sending them. Business writing is almost the same as humor writing. In both cases, you leave the useless words and get to the point. Scott Adams, Dilbert. Thank you.